Yes, absolutely. The Family Law Act makes specific provision for grandparents to apply to the court for orders to allow them to spend time with their grandchildren, and it's not at all uncommon for orders of that kind to be made by the courts. The main criterion applied in deciding whether or not to make such an order is essentially what exactly is in the best interest of the child. In deciding that question, the court looks at all the sort of things that you'd probably expect them to. For example, how much have the grandparents been a part of the children's life? What sort of relationship do the children have with their grandparents? If the child's old enough and able to express an opinion, what are the wishes of the child? Does the child want to have a relationship with their grandparents? Is there conflict between the parents and grandparents? Because, of course, if there is, that's likely to cause angst within the family, which could well impact on the children themselves. Of course, it's always better if you can reach agreement without having to go to court to get an order. Where there's acrimony and discord, that's very likely to rebound on the children, so it's important to try to find some mutual ground if you possibly can. If parents and grandparents are in disagreement, some form of family mediation and or relationship counselling can be a really good way for the parties to better understand each other's needs and point of view, and hopefully that way they'll reach some genuine agreement as to what's in the best interests of the child. But it's generally recognised that it is in the interests of children to have a relationship with their grandparents, and if necessary the court will order that to happen in appropriate cases, even where one or both of the parents oppose it.